Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth suddenly had rings like Saturn? Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing dazzling arcs stretching across the horizon, shimmering with ice and rock fragments, casting shadows on the ground below. Our nights would be transformed, with starlight mingling with the subtle glow of the rings, creating breathtaking vistas that no human has ever witnessed. The presence of rings would dramatically change Earth's climate. Shadows cast by the dense rings could lower temperatures in certain regions, creating permanent twilight zones beneath their shade. Sunlight would filter differently, altering photosynthesis in plants and affecting the food chain. The movement of tides might be influenced subtly. As the added mass and gravitational pull of the rings interact with our oceans, possibly creating stronger tidal waves in coastal areas, meteor showers would become frequent and spectacular. Small fragments constantly breaking off from the rings would streak across the sky, adding a dynamic and potentially dangerous element to our nights. Satellites and space travel would need careful recalibration to navigate the dense ring plane, avoiding collisions with orbiting debris. Cities and landscapes would change under the ring's influence. Shadows moving across buildings and streets would create surreal patterns, almost as if the Earth itself were alive. Photography and art would reach new heights, capturing the interplay of light and shadow in ways previously impossible. Nightlife would also transform, with bioluminescent animals responding to the altered light and nocturnal creatures adapting to a more complex environment. Geologically, the rings might slightly affect Earth's rotation. The added mass in orbit could cause minute changes in the planet's wobble, slightly shifting the poles over millennia. And if the rings were dense enough, they could eventually start to interact with the atmosphere at the very edge of space, creating strange auroras and electric phenomena, unseen anywhere else in the solar system. Life on Earth would need to adapt in surprising ways. Humans might develop new methods to harness the light or shadow of the rings. Animals might evolve behaviors influenced by constant glimmers overhead, and ecosystems could shift in ways both beautiful and dangerous. The rings would not just be a visual spectacle. They would become an integral part of the planet's identity, reshaping life, culture, and science forever.